Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make pizzelle or ferratelle. Place the eggs in a mixing bowl. Add the lemon zest and mix everything together. Add the sugar and mix again until combined. Add the olive oil and continue mixing. When everything comes together, add the flour. With a spatula, mix again until incorporated. Don't overmix. In the meantime, preheat your iron. When the iron is ready, place a spoonful of the mixture. Cook them until they are golden brown, about 30 to 45 seconds. Serve with Nutella or jam. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.